Hi everyone, this is Annette Morris. I'm bringing to you my countdown to Christmas. And this is a buffalo check wreath that I put together along with the ornaments. And these are my DIYs for this video. Okay, sit back and relax and let's get started. If you're familiar with my other wreath video, then you know I'm starting this off the same way, using the foam strips that I cut into pieces, and then I'll do the same thing with the fabric. And first I apply the foam going all the way around, using a low temperature glue gun to attach it. Then I do the same thing, repeat the same thing with the fabric, and I take it and I go all the way around the wreath form. Then from there, you're able to put together little pockets as you go along. And you'll see those pockets form once you wrap the fabric around, the same way you did the foam. So now, once it's all gathered, you'll see everything come together. Start at one end and end on the other one, until it all come together in a circle. And here I'm just showing you the wreath form, whereas once you put the foam strips going all the way around, how the pockets are gathering each time you wrap it, and you'd be doing the same thing with the fabric. And now for a quick commercial break. Don't forget to like and share. And this is my other video using similar buffalo, plaid, or check fabric. Okay, so let's move on to my DIY glam snowflake ornament. Using any snowflake design that you want, all you're going to do is cut out your snowflake, and then you're going to apply these decorative beads. And I picked up these at Target's, so you can go and make it as glam as you want using these beads or rhinestones. And next we'll be doing a DIY star using the same fabric and making our fabric star ornament. Using any cardstock or cardboard that you have to recycle, cut out a shape of a star and apply the fabric and any trim or embezzlement that you would like. And there you have it. From this to your fabric to this. Now thank you for watching and doing the countdown to Christmas with me. I have more videos to come. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. And as always, thank you, Amores. Thank you and happy holidays. See you next time.